Hello class 6 students, how are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? Today I am going to discuss the great Alexander. Already I have made one video on this chapter and today I am going to make video number 2. In video number 1 I have discussed from here to here what is the who was the great Alexander. Each and everything I have discussed in my previous video. In this video you will understand the little story of Alexander. Which type of little story? I am going to discuss it. So the horse looked not. One day a merchant brought a beautiful black horse to King Philip. Who has brought merchant? Merchant means what? Businessman. For whom? For King Philip. Clear? It had a white star on its forehead. There was a star on its forehead. Okay. There is no horse which is above brave and as fast as this horse challenged the merchant. It was very marvelous horse. The horse looked not only beautiful but also very wild and fierce. You can see it. It is beautiful also and wild and fierce. He kicked and threw off everyone who tried to ride him. If anybody will sit on that horse, then he will kick him. Okay, take away this beast, said the king angrily. Okay, take away this beast. Okay, said king angrily. He has no discipline. No one will be able to ride such a violin. It must be. It means what? This horse was not like horse. It was another type of horse. Okay. After that, I think you can see it very well. I think you can see it very well. Okay. So young Alexander was keenly watching the horse. He was since it entered the palace ground. Okay. Who was seeing young Alexander? Was seeing up that horse when the horse was enter into it, the palace. Clear? He came towards eagerly. Father, it is a pity to lose so fine horse. I think I can tame this beautiful horse. Who told? His son told him and requested him. Okay, to the king. Philip laughed loudly. Who laughed loudly? Philip laughed loudly. Do you think you can do so? You are, after all, a boy. The beast of our horsemen could not even mount him. It must be. It was not controllable. It was very uncontrollable things. Okay, nobody can control this horse easily. True, father, but let me try. I can tame him if you leave him to me. Okay. It means what his son requested to his father, kindly give me permission to tame it. Okay. The determinations and the confidence of Alexander were appealing. So the king said, very well, you may try. It means his father told that you can try it, no very well. Alexander, who had been watching the horse carefully, observed that the horse was afraid of his own shadow. Okay, he was feeling that he was very afraid. Who was afraid? Horse. Alexander moved quietly towards the horse. He began speaking greatly to him and took the bridle into his hand. Then, stalking him, he slowly turned the horse so that he faced the sun. Okay. Then he uh, sprang lightly on his back. It was he sprang lightly in this way on his back of the horse. Okay, clear? The horse kicked, reared, and galloped wildly towards the and to the horse. Sorry. Okay. Try to understand again. Alexander, who had been watching the horse carefully, observed that the horse was afraid of his own shadow. Alexander moved quickly towards the horse. He began to speaking greatly to him and took his bridle into his hand. Then, stalking him slowly, turned the horse so that he faced the sun. Okay, then he sped lightly on his back. The horse kicked really and galloped widely towards and the of the field. Alexander held on his tightly and kept talking to the horse. It means what? Try to understand. Alexander knew very well how to control the horse. Okay, he had extraordinary power. How to control the horse. Okay, he knew very well each and every situation. He knew very well each and every movement of the horse. In this way, Alexander controlled the horse very easily. Okay, after that, when the king was shot at the horse, galloped so fast, he closed his eyes. He was sure that Alexander was going to be thrown down and killed. Be going to thrown down and killed. After that, on hearing the sound of the horse, Philip slowly opened his eyes. There was Alexander, to his surprise, sitting safely on the beautiful horse and leading him towards the king. It means what? His father was fearing how he will control the horse. It was an extraordinary work. Okay, according to his father. Okay, if he will fell from the horse, then he will injured. Okay, many things his father was thinking, but Alexander controlled each and every situation, and he controlled the situation, and he was riding the horse without any problem and hesitation. Okay, after that, the people they are cheered and shouted loudly, "Long live Prince Alexander! Long live!" Okay. After that day, the horse became so faithful that Alexander used him as his war horse when he become the king. Okay. Then the horse served him for many wars. It means what? Alexander knew very well how to control the horse. In this way, it was the situation from that he controlled the situation, and he fought from the horse. Okay, he fought how to control the situation of the yeah, how to control each and every situation. Okay, when while sitting on the horse, he knew very well. Okay, and he fought many battlefield. He fought many war um, with his horse, with the help of his horse. Okay, when that horse died of wounds in a battle, Alexander was very sad. Alexander was very sad. He built a new city in money for his beautiful horse. Okay, it was his marvelous. It was his big heart. Okay, he did for his horse. Okay, it was an extraordinary work. A brave person never dies. He lives in our heart forever. We know every person you know very well in history. There were many brave person. They lived in they lives in our heart. Okay, they never died. We know very well. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. Thanks for watching.